Good evening, everyone. Let us find out today how to um, add completion progress bar in our course. Remember, when we were together, we were trying to get this done so that the children can see a visual of their completion progress, but we couldn't. Today, we know how. So what we're going to do is, first of all, go to the course that you want to activate your completion progress bar, and then you turn editing on as usual. And when you do that, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find a function here that says add a block. If you open that, if you open it, you will find something called, let's open it here. You find something called completion progress. Okay. You'll find something called completion progress. Click on it. Completion progress will open up and voila, you've added a new block to your course. Now let's look at what this block is telling us. If you click on the first slab of the block, it says second term art holiday assignment not completed. All the way down here, assignment on tropical fish not completed. Now this gives me an overview of everything that is covered in my completion progress bar. You see, it's pretty long. We're not going to include second term. We didn't move second term out of third term course because, we're trying to figure out how to manage both. So although those blocks are there, they don't want to be included in this progress report. I will show you later how to configure your completion progress bar. And what you're going to do is you're going to add this thing, what I just did, turn editing on, scroll all the way to the bottom, add a block, completion progress report or completion progress. Do that in all your courses. If you have 3 courses, do it 3 times. If you have 4 courses, do it 4 times. Now, there's more to this completion progress bar. If you click on overview of students, it will show you everybody's work so far and what they have left. This is fantastic. See, the children have almost completed their work. Almost completed their work. Now, if a child has an issue, it's very easy for me to just come here and it's so visual. I can find out exactly where the child has not completed. The child himself can see this in their own login. Now, say I have a problem with one block, I just click on it and it will show me exactly what that block is about. If I click here, the sun handprint, the child hasn't done it. The blue means not done. The green means complete. So activity completion is very important because in some courses, because the teacher did not set activity completion right, there are problems and it shows as a yellow sign or a red sign. And if you do that, it means that your activity completion settings might be problematic. Remember, the children need to complete all of these before they can write exams. So it's very important that you look through these to see if there are any problem areas before moving forward. Now, if I click on here, this is a teacher's block that has some issues. Completed but did not achieve pass grade. Completed but did not achieve pass grade. So the teacher needs to go and adjust this to show that even if you did a quiz, you can still be marked complete based on submission of the quiz, not that they did not achieve a pass grade. Now this is maths. I have issues here too. I click on overview of students in mathematics. I think I have some yellow signs. Okay, I don't see. Yes, there we go. Blessing Chikezie. Click on it. It says not completed. It's submitted, but it's not complete. How could that be possible? The child submitted, but it's not complete because there's a problem in activity completion. So I'm going to click on that. And it opens up. Submitted. The child has submitted it, but it's still not complete. Why? I need to go to edit settings. edit the settings of this assignment to find out where the problem might lie. If I scroll all the way down, I will go to activity completion. Now, what this could have happened here was that the teacher changed the activity completion after we knew what to do with activity completion, meaning it was probably set at manual complete before she changed it. And when you did that, some people have already submitted, but they did not view. They have submitted, and when you unlock the completion settings, everybody's view was erased. So it means the child has to go back to view. How can we fix this? We'll make sure that our completion settings is just to submit, because the majority of them would have submitted already. You cannot submit without viewing, right? So change it so that it will accommodate more students. So if I unlock completion options here, even though it has been marked complete for 44 participants, now scroll down and I'll remove view and save and display, so that the computer will only count the submission of the assignment as complete. Now let's go back and see if it has fixed the error. Remember, we saw two yellows in the child's work. Okay, there we are. Good. Now I want to refresh this page. You see those yellows for Chin, Akbere, Blessing, Chikezi? Let's see if any of them goes away based on the adjustment we just made. Good. You see, it's now one left. So the teacher needs to go and do this again for this other yellow. The one I did has been sorted. The teacher needs to fix this one. So that's how you can attend to the errors that might show up in your progress report. Let us move forward. We see what the progress report can do for us, but I also want to show you how to limit. Like I said here, second term holiday assignment, all of this is shown in the progress report. We don't want that. How can we now limit the bar to show only what we have done for this term? What I need to do is click on this actions menu here, this wheel, the settings wheel. If I click on it, it'll show me configure completion progress block. I want to configure it to what I want. So if I click on that, to give me options. The first one is, how do I order the bar? Which comes first? Is it based on time or based on the order in your course? Remember, I've been telling you to make sure that your blocks are ordered properly. If it's not ordered properly, it will be a problem. So make sure you choose either expected completed on date or ordering in course. I would suggest ordering in course because our blocks are already ordered in the pattern in which we release them. So click ordering in course. Now, how to present long bars. If the bars are too long, squeeze them, make them to be all in one view. So leave that as it is, squeeze. Show percentage to students. Do your children want to see their percent? I think they do. So make sure that this is yes. Now, if you see this show more here, it is showing me all the activities in my course that are considered in this completion set. Do I want all the activities or I only want the ones for third term? I only want the ones for third term. So if I click this, selected activities, the minute I click it will allow me to select the activities I want. Good, it's open now. So I don't know where this teacher started second term from, but let me assume it's here. If it's not here, whoever it is, please change it. Now what I need to do is I need to click and drag. If I have a phone, click and drag down to where you want it to be. There. Now these are the courses I want, or the topics I want to be considered in my bar. I don't want it to be so long all the way from second term because we didn't even have completion settings in second term. So I've done this, leave the rest. No other options are necessary at this time. And click Save Changes. Now that I've done that, you see how drastically reduced my progress bar is? It starts from assignment on hair texture all the way to assignment on tropical fish. You see that? So that is good enough for me. And that will be what you need to do in your course to ensure that your children have a proper view of their progress. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. Thank you. Yeah, make sure you do yours, please. We need it done before the weekend. Thank you.